welcome back to Pabbly. Come, I'll show you something very important and magical today. I have created an AI chatbot for my mutual fund service business, and I'm going to show you the proper working of this. You're going to see how this AI chatbot is going to recommend plans and funds towards my leads and customers. So let's say I'm going to type this hey on WhatsApp and I'm going to send this hey. Once we send this hey, this chatbot is going to get activated and it is replying me. So let's say I'm going to type I'm planning to invest for 5 to 10 years and don't mind taking some risk. So let's say this is the query. So I'm going to send this message and I want these suggestions or recommendations for the funds in which I can invest. So let's say this AI chatbot is sharing me the funds in which I can invest. It is sharing me two type of mutual funds. The first is this equity funds and the another is this hybrid funds. So it is sharing me the funds according to the risk and the time period I'm giving it. So let's say I'm going to ask another question. How are the returns? This is a very important question. So let's ask this question, and within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to solve this too. It is going to answer me about the same two over here. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and yes, over here it is sharing me the returns also. So yes, how this AI chatbot knows so much about this mutual fund service business? Because I have created this knowledge base and I have uploaded this knowledge base using which it is solving all the user queries. So yes, if you also want to create this amazing AI WhatsApp chatbot for your own mutual fund service business who is going to recommend funds for your customer specific need, then watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I have opened Pabbly Chatflow and the AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and then come on this AI assistant. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then come inside Pabbly Chatflow and then come on this AI assistant feature. And after you come inside Pabbly Chatflow, you have to keep in mind that you first add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, a video tutorial dedicated towards it has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and first add your WhatsApp number. So as you can see that I have already created this chatbot and I'm going to show you how I created this. So first I selected the instruction type. So you can also select the instruction type as custom prompt and give a custom prompt over here. But we have some pre-built examples to help you like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So you can select any one from this also. And the instructions will be added automatically. If you wish, you can definitely edit it. But if you wish, you can keep it as same too and move on further. The next is this temperature. This is how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. And if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. The next is this AI to use and the models. You can select this according to your own choice. I'm going to select it as OpenAI and GPT-4o Mini. The next is this API key. So to get this API key, go on this OpenAI API key page. And once you come on this page, you have to click on this Create Secret Key button. Enter the key name, select the project and click on this Create Secret Key. So once you get this API key, copy this API key and paste it in this API key section and click on this Connect and the key will be added. The next is this AI assistant settings. So you can do some settings over here. If you wish, you can definitely add a header or a footer message. You have to just type this message and the header and the footer message will be added. The next is this stop keywords. So enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. And how you can add these keywords? You have to simply type the keywords and then press enter to add the keywords. Now further, whenever user is going to send this keyword, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop. The AI assistant is not going to reply to that chat further. A manual review will be needed to take that chat back again towards the AI assistant. The next is this retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant key fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. The next is this fallback message. So over here you can add a fallback message if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. I'll suggest you add the email address of your company in this fallback message so that if the user has some emergency and the API key is not responding correctly, they can contact you on Gmail. As you can see that I've added the same. Now after completing this fallback message, we have completed this AI instructions. The next is this knowledge source. So I told you you that I have created and uploaded this knowledge source. But how you can do is, so you have to open a plain Google document, a blank one. Then in that Google document, you have to type the knowledge unique to your business. And after that, you have to go to this file, then download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Once again, I am repeating, download this in TXT or PDF format, because TXT and PDF are the only supported formats in order to upload the knowledge source. I'll suggest you go for TXT format, because for TXT we don't have any limit, but if you go for PDFs, there is no limit till text PDFs. But if you choose a PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it depends upon you in which format you want to upload the knowledge source. I'll suggest you go for TXT format. And now how can you upload this knowledge source? You have to go to this choose a file and go to download and upload your knowledge source by clicking on this open, and your knowledge source will be uploaded and added over here. The next which we have is this AI assistant interface. So here you can add the heading, which is the brand name. You can add the subheading also over here. It totally depends upon you. Whatever you will write over here, it is going to change here too. Alright, let's move on further. The next which we have is this initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add the same. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enabled, otherwise you can disable it and this powered by Pabbly will be disappeared. So it totally depends upon you if you want to show it or not. The next is this footer text. So you can add this to add the disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. Same goes for the footer link. If you add the link, the text will convert into a link, otherwise it will remain a plain text. The next is this user first message. So this message will be sent towards the user as the initial message. Alright, so over here I'm going to keep it as hey. Now let's move on further. The next is this styling. So over here you can style this WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and also the images. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot should look like. After doing this, you have completed this AI chatbot, so make sure that you switch on this toggle button and click on this Save AI Assistant. It is really important to switch on this toggle button, otherwise the AI assistant will not be activated. Now we have created and activated this chatbot, but now how can we use it for our business? So what you can do is you can go to this embedded, you're going to get this script, add this script on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. So easy, right? Then further, whenever someone visits your website and click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and from there and you will receive a user first message, which is this hey. Once you receive this hey, the AI assistant is going to get activated and reply to all the user queries which that same person has. Otherwise, if you wish, you can definitely assign this AI assistant to your existing contacts too. You can open your inbox from the left end of the site, go towards the contact you want to assign this AI assistant. Let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to this user. So I'm going to go to this choose AI assistant, and I can assign this AI assistant from here. And automatically I have to click on this save to assign this AI assistant. Next, what I can do is I can go towards this settings and then inbox settings. I can also assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once. I have to go towards this enable AI auto replies, select the contact list and select the AI assistant to reply to all of the contacts in this list. Now whenever any contact from this list is going to message me, this chatbot is going to reply them. For that, you just have to click on this button which says save. And with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant. And now whenever my user is going to type this user's first message, or when I assign this AI assistant to a particular user, automatically this AI chatbot is going to solve all my user queries, that too so accurately because of this knowledge source. So go and try this amazing AI chatbot for your own mutual fund service business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the chatbot, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.